Here's an essential task. What you want to do is you want to line up your services, your inspection services, what you do with your business for your clients to your clients' needs. So a key to building a successful business is offering a service that your clients need, right? Otherwise, you're just wasting time. You're offering things that nobody wants, and so your phone is not going to ring. Effectively communicating to your clients that you deliver exactly what they need is critical. If your inspection business is the best at providing home inspections, then you want to communicate that. If your business is not known for what you do best, then you've got a problem in your marketing. For example, if you think your business is the best at writing reports, but your clients are more interested in great customer service, then your business is not in alignment with your clients' expectations, and that's really bad. If you think that your experience is your greatest strength, but your clients believe that same-day reporting is the most important thing, then your business is out of alignment with your clients' needs. The most successful business is the one that understands what is most important to its clients. Your brand should communicate to your potential clients what your business stands for and match the top 5 things most important to your clients. That's the key to success. You should write down your brand's message in one big paragraph, or it could be boiled down to just one short sentence or tagline. Let's look at my competition. If I was performing inspections and I was Big Ben Inspections, I would use inspectorseek.com and type in my market area. That's Boulder, Colorado. And let's take a look at my friendly competition. John J. He has Diggs Home Inspections, diggsinspections.com. Let's see what John J. Oh, I got him beat. He'll be open soon. Okay, so I'm going to come back and spy on him. Let's go back to Inspector Seek. Boulder. So I should just go backwards. Let's look at Daniel, Guardian Inspections. Let's see what Daniel's website says and how he lines up his services. Ooh, guarding you, your investments, your future. Certified, insured, guaranteed home inspections in Boulder County. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Get a quote. It starts at $350. So I know Daniel's inspections start at $350. I can get a quote. Be sure to include the size of the home, approximate location, approximate age of the home, any additional services or questions. Wait, that's like the fee calculator, right? And you click submit. That's pretty good. My report? What's my report? Modern home inspection reports. Visual informative inspection report. Visual, high quality images, reviewing, finding, delivery report within 24 hours, email delivery, mobile friendly reports, agent repair request tool. Watch how to read your report. What? Oh, this is really good. Learn how to read your home. I'm going to have to, about us. Let's click about us. That's a good picture. Oh, and there's a bunch of qualifications, why we should hire this home inspector. And here's some information about agents, resources for agents. We're client friendly, tech savvy, convenient, and we communicate clearly. This is really good. And there's some social media stuff, and there's a big button at the top right to schedule your inspection. Oh, I can then choose whatever I want, a residential inspection, what the location is, click next. This is really good. This website is really good. So I have to figure out what I need to do in order to beat Daniel in Guardian Inspections in my market area. He is providing an easy way to schedule an inspection on his website, and he gives some really interesting information about maybe that information on Daniel's website is fulfilling his potential clients' needs directly. So Daniel is lining up with his clients' needs, and maybe I'm not yet. So I have to revisit now my website and maybe readjust on what I'm doing and what I think is important, because what I think is important is actually irrelevant. What's really important, the key to business, is lining up your services with what exactly your clients need. Let's search more using Inspector Seek. Use that button now and type in your market area and spy on your friendly competition and to see how well they're matching their business services to their clients' needs. And you do the same.